After presenting a lesson to their students, teachers often want to check in for understanding. This can be done many ways, but interactive games and activities are a great way to keep students engaged, assess their learning, and help build social-emotional learning skills. The game-based activity templates in Smart Learning Suite provide teachers with a quick and easy way to build an activity to check in on understanding. For this example, I'm going to build a SuperSort activity to review key vocabulary introduced in today's lesson. To begin, I will need to add 2 categories for this activity. Next, instead of adding words to go under each category, I'm going to add images. To do this, I click the image icon. Now I can conduct a Bing Safe search for the image I want to use. Once I've selected the image I want to use, I click OK. I will do this 5 times for each category. Once I've added all my images, I select Next, and now I have the option to select a theme. I can build a custom theme, but today I'm in a hurry, so I want to choose one of the pre-built themes. Once I choose the theme, I select Finish. Now the activity is ready to go. Students can either come to the board to complete the activity, or complete it from their devices. SuperSort is just one of the many activities students can participate in for a check-in of understanding. These activities are a fun way to get students engaged and excited about the content.